What are you gonna say, Liz? Oh my god. Get it together.
So we're at the beach.
Yeah, you look depressed.
That's what I'm gonna be.
You're getting blacker.
Yeah, blacker. As you can see, like fucking waves and shit.
Oh my god, the water's getting like so close.
Oh my god, that's a big ass.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why is he checking out guys' ass? He's supposed to be checking out girls' ass.
It's called Bi Days.
Anyways, we're having a good day here.
And it's very cold actually. I know. It's crazy. It's like
Sure, we'll drown you.
oh god, we can't even like yeah.
Hello. What did you make? A heart? We're like sitting here. To prove that we're at the beach, look at the sand and the water. Spin around, Liz. My hair. It's like all ugly. Anyways, the water is right there. There's the bay and Roxy. Ew. So black. That's how you've been since you were born. What's the difference? You're stupid. I was like fucking white. You were? Yeah. Just kidding. You were? No, I was black. I know. And I don't care. I'm not trying to like not be black.
We need like fucking music because it's boring. Either fucking
It sounds like. Hold on, I'm wearing glasses because the sound's just.
either fucking like norteñas or like corridos, you know. Fuck
Like what kind of corridos?
I don't know, like tres Ortiz corridos or like
Huh? Boo. Shut up. Anyways, we're leaving and have a good Sunday.
also those rieleros are hot.
They're old. What are you talking
So
about?
hot.
No. They're like OG.